Good morning, class. In our last class, we were reading this chapter, The Talking Cave, in your literature books. We already finished with the two pages, page number 4 and 5. So, it was the story about the lion and the jackal and the cave. And present, we were reading that jackal was talking to the cave that you don't want to welcome me. Shall I go to some another cave? We left the story over here. We'll continue from the same. Page number 5, last line. The lion remained silent. He could not decide what to do. So, when Jackal was talking to the cave, that time the lion didn't want to speak anything. So, he remained silent. He could not decide what to do. He was not able to decide now what to do, whether to speak, whether to reply or not. Come to page number 6. He also did not want the jackal to go away. But lion also wanted that I want to eat jackal, so he should not go away. But he was not able to do anything. He was not replying. He was quiet inside the cave. So after thinking for a while, he let out a loud roar of welcome. So he thought for a while and then he let out a loud roar of welcome, means he roared loudly. So he wanted to welcome Jackal inside now. The trees nearby shook with the terrifying roar of the lion. So the loud roar was so terrifying, so horrifying, like everybody got scared. All the trees nearby were shaking. Shaking means like the trees move with the wind. When the wind blows, the same way the trees were shaking with the loud roar of the lion. The animals scampered away. Scampered means they ran away quickly and hid themselves, and they all were hiding here and there. They all were scared of that roar. Only the jackal laughed, and but the jackal was laughing. His plan had worked. He was feeling so proud that I'm so intelligent, that my plan worked out, and now lion is in a trap. He had saved his skin. Saved his skin means he saved himself from lion. Now lion cannot eat him, so he saved his skin. To save oneself is saving his or her skin. He stood outside the cave and called out. Still Jackal was standing outside the cave and he was calling out, I have never heard a cave talking. Oh lion, have you? So he was now teasing that lion that I have never seen a cave talking. As you were roaring inside, it was like the cave is talking. Have you seen any time that cave talks? I have never seen. Then the jackal ran away as fast as he could. So after that he ran away from there as fast as he could, means very fast, relieved that the lion had fallen into his trap. Relieved means he was tension free now. He was feeling pleasant. Okay, he was thinking that the lion had fallen into his trap. Now he is safe. The foolish lion walked slowly out of the cave. Foolish means Murak, means with no sense, who cannot think sensibly. So that foolish lion walked slowly out of the cave. He looked around but saw no one. He wanted to see that jackal. He thought that he must be standing outside, but he didn't see anything. No lion, no jackal was there. His roar had alerted all the animals. Alerted means all the animals became active when they heard the roar of the lion. Disappointed with himself, he decided to walk to another part of the forest and start hunting afresh. So, disappointed means he was not satisfied, he was not happy, he was not, means he was feeling that whatever he wanted to do, since he was hungry, he wanted to eat up the jackal, but jackal was so smart that lion only got trapped. So lion was feeling disappointed now. He decided to walk to another part. So he thought that now he will not stay here. He will move to the other part of the forest and start hunting afresh. Afresh means from the new beginning. He will start again. That's it for the day, children. Go through the chapter, go through the story, understand the meanings of the difficult words, underline those words. Thank you.